Hi, tired of fighting tough stains away on your favorite clothes? Well, I have the perfect solution for you. Meet LG's semi-automatic washing machine, just the perfect answer for those stains and also your worries. LG's powerful central roller Jet Pulsator, accompanied by smaller pulsators, creates a dynamic motion that generates sufficient friction for effective dirt, dust and mite removal, guaranteeing cleaner clothes with every wash, while being gentle on the clothes too. Also, its unique soak process soaks clothes in a concentrated detergent solution to help loosen tough dirt particles. Not only that, Windjet Dry reduces remaining moisture on laundry and the insides of the washing machine by rotating the spin tub at high RPM. The air circulated inside removes water and dries clothes faster and better. You know what I love the most about this washing machine? This comes with 360-degree magic wheels. Now you can move your washing machine with ease and without any help. With LG, you enjoy complete peace of mind. Your LG washing machine stays protected from rats, thanks to a 3 mm thick plastic cover with the rat repellent chemical. Now you can breathe worry-free. LG's Lint filter collects the lint that comes out while washing clothes and makes sure that the fabric does not get stuck in the pipe. Great, right? You know what's great? LG's semi-automatic washing machines come with a 5-star rating. So they use less electricity, save energy and help you also save more while spending less. So go ahead and get home this feature-loaded LG semi-automatic washing machine and make your life easy.